On behalf of our entire team, I'd like to welcome you to our Guided Pathways Workshop Series. CCRC researchers have been studying guided pathways reforms across the country for 6 years, and we've been amazed by the innovative work that colleges are doing to transform the student experience and expand opportunities. We've also seen that it can be challenging for colleges that are not a part of statewide or national initiatives. We designed this workshop series as a resource for any college at any stage of reform interested in launching or furthering their guided pathways work. We're hoping that you will take these resources and make them your own. So we've included a customizable slide deck and a facilitator's guide that outlines how you can tailor the content to your college and audience. Guided Pathways is a dynamic and adaptable framework, not a one-size-fits-all model. So when you customize these materials, you'll be making Guided Pathways work for you. We're eager to hear your feedback about how this workshop can be improved. We look forward to building connections with colleges and states that we haven't had the chance to work with, and deepening our connections with colleges where we are more familiar with the Guided Pathways work. Please reach out to us if you have any questions. Thanks for watching!